Good afternoon. I started on this. Found out there's a bunch of plastic under there, so I gotta shovel all the dirt off first before I can get the weeds out of here. So I had to leave and go get a new wheelbarrow. I had a blowout and the handle broke. So alright, let me get started on this and I'll get back with you. Alright, bye. Yeah, I got half of it done. Hopefully you can see it. All the way up to there. Then I got that whole other side where that bush is at. Then I got a pile of stuff out back that's gotta go. Well, that's good as that's gonna look until summer. So hopefully he's happy with it. But they just cleaned this house out. Foreclosure. So bank took it back, I guess. And you gotta get it all cleaned before he auctions it off. So alright, I'm gonna drink my coffee here and I'm gonna get back at it, see if I can get that other half done before dark. Alright, later. Okay, we're all done. Looks a lot better up front. Got that swimming pool that was back there. Bunch of leaves and limbs. Alright, I'm out of here. I'm headed home and take a shower. Alright, you guys have a good night and have a happy Thanksgiving, eh? Okay, bye.